So hi Sean, this is for you. The pilots are leaving, they're taking vacation now, and I got the flight for myself.
You just paid for the aircraft?
Yes, I did.
Paid 10 kroner for it, and it's free. It's coming down to you now.
Thank you guys, this was awesome.
See you in heaven.
We're back in LA. I didn't know I was going back, but then I got an email. I'm gonna be here for like 3 days. I'm staying close to Santa Monica Beach. We're just gonna have a great time here. Currently I'm at Santa Monica, waiting for checking in to my apartment. Got some food. Gonna eat some, and then we're gonna check out the place I'm going to live, and maybe I'm going to bed early today because I haven't slept in like 22 hours or I don't know. I'm so tired. Found the apartment. Tomorrow I'll be working for Airbnb. It's called Airbnb Open, and they were so cute to leave me this letter. We hope your time at Airbnb Open is fun and successful. Thanks for coming to LA. I made me like this gift basket. This is my room. That's beautiful. And I even got this like large porch, not that far away from Santa Monica Beach. Tomorrow I'll be working probably all the day, but on Saturday I have no plans, because then you can just go with the flow. Good morning. Today is the day I'll do the project. It's gonna be really busy and intense. I have to run around with my phone all day. I hope I get to show you guys some of it. If not, I'll make it up for you tomorrow. I'm really not a morning person, but every time I get up early, I really love the atmosphere. Like, the air is so much fresher, minus the traffic, especially home in Norway, because if you then, like me, I live close by the forest, then the air is especially really good. You sometimes have like this small fog in the forest. It's really magical. I love to be in early. But it's not always that easy, because today traffic was crazy, but anyway I have like 20 minutes, so I made it. So while we're waiting for my contacts in Airbnb, we can just walk around in the market. I thought the place would be much more busy than this, but cool design. I also love all the neon signs they have on every stand almost. Last time I was here in LA, I ordered a taco from this guy. I don't mind waiting, because that gives me time to be more, I don't know, creative. Be more thinking about new ideas, get inspiration, like walking around here, seeing all those signs, all those food, all those people. That gives me a lot of inspiration. So every single moment you have to wait. Take use of creativity. Think ideas. That's Stephanie.
Hi, good morning.
Hey! And now we're getting breakfast?
Yeah, we're gonna find something to eat.
We're gonna find something to eat. Let's go! Project is going really well. Currently now, I'm at Los Angeles Theater, and this is just wow. Such an amazing place. Check this out.
First graders, you know, kids say what I want to do this year, and they have, you know, letters kind of going the wrong way. I want to learn how to read, and the juxtaposition of that.
My name's Anne-Louise Ewan.
Awesome. And you do?
Well, I'm a painter, and today we're painting together on this great mural. And at the end of the day, we hope to end up with something harmonious and not just a big giant mess. So we're working together to create things that have beautiful drips and variations of color and texture. And,
Beautiful.
yeah.
So the thing I'm trying now is to pairing up the glasses with my phone.
It's like obvious, but still not like go through stuff. It's like, yeah.
Awesome.
Got it?
So apparently I look like a mad scientist right now. Thanks for having me. That's great.
You did great, except I'm gonna get in trouble for this letter.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But just send a bill to Airbnb. Great. Cool. Ran into, you guys remember Christian from my last vlog? And also, where's Candida?
Oh, she just left, but she's coming back.
We're gonna see her later too.
Over there, and maybe that table.
Cool. Lunch.
That's it.
Just had a great lunch, and look who we ran into.
Hey guys!
Why aren't they doing anything? I don't get it. Oh my god.
This is so crazy. We were just going up, grabbing some lunch, and instead we got the witness to a fire down here. It's a car burning.
Like the tires are like popping. It's scary.
You can also see the fire department down here. So scary. I hope everybody's safe down there.
Even heaven.
All right, yeah. So we're about to take off. This is your captain speaking. It's geeohsnap.